welcome to the N-Ext DIY channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name's Nathan. I have a YouTube channel called Pacific Northwest Lawns, and today I'm going to show you how to use the N-Ext seeding and overseeding package in my backyard renovation here. So if you want to see everything that got me to this point, head over to my channel and subscribe and check it out. There's several videos leading up to this. But for today, let's get to the seeding and overseeding package and get this renovation started. So hold on just a minute. Okay, now moving on to the seeding overseeding package. As soon as you lay out your seed, first thing you want to do is 12 ounces of the 1621 2 Green Pop. That's 12 ounces per 1,000. Use a hose-in sprayer for that. N-Ext does not recommend using a backpack sprayer because you need a 20-to-1 dilution rate. And 3 ounces per 1,000 of the RGS. That's what you do the first day. 21 days later, come back and you do 12 ounces of the 901 GreeneStart. And again 3 ounces of the RGS. 42 days post-germination, 12 to 15 ounces of the 1801 GreenePunch, and 3 ounces again of the RGS per 1,000. So for today, I'm going to get these two laid down and get ready to spread some peat moss. Okay, so we want 3 ounces per 1,000 of RGS. I have 2,000 square feet here, so need 6 ounces of that. Just make sure you shake it up really well. Let's see, there's... You do want to make sure that you top the dialing sprayer off with water. And just go out and evenly apply it. Okay, so that's it for the RGS. Next, we're going to use the 1621 2 Green Pop. This is the starter fertilizer, basically. And first thing you want to do is shake this up. Now, for this stuff, we're going to use 12 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Top the rest off with water. Alright, to seed the backyard here, I've chose to use the My Soil Kentucky Bluegrass Perennial Ryegrass mix. I'm just going to use a drop spreader to get it spread out around the edges. Maybe evenly distribute it and then come back with a broadcast spreader and fill it in. Anyway, let's get to it. Let's see if I can do this here. Hey, what do you know? Got it. Alright, so the point is to get a nice even distribution. Use the drop spreader to get it kind of initially spread out, and then the broadcast spreader to even things out back and forth opposite directions till you get the amount of pounds that you want spread over the area. You want it to spread pretty evenly. Here, check this out. So you want a nice even spread there. As you can tell, that worked out pretty well. So the next step is I'm going to roll this in with a roller, and for some good seed to soil contact, and then move on after that. Alright, so that part's done. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray some tenacity out, use it as a pre-emergent. With that, there's no need for surfactant or anything like that. It's meant to be watered in. So I'm going to spray out the tenacity using a backpack sprayer, and then we'll get to the seeding package and use that to kind of help water it in. So on to that. The next thing I'm going to do is spread some peat moss. Peat moss does is it basically acts as a top dressing that retains an awful lot of moisture and also helps keep the birds out of it. I've decided to rent one of these peat moss spreaders because in the past it's one dirty job. Hopefully this will be a little bit easier. We'll find out. Alright, that's it. Only thing that's left to do is water it in. Remember, 21 days post-germination, 901 GreeneStart and RGS. 42 days post-germination, 1801 GreenePunch and RGS. After that, you can resume your normal fertilization based on the weather. Any questions, feel free to ask below. If you want updates on this particular project, head on over to my channel, Pacific Northwest Lawns, and subscribe, and I'll continue to update this there. But thanks again for watching the next DIY channel, and we'll see you in the next video.